guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jency. I'm on a journey to become debt free, and also guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Before I go ahead and update you guys on week 2 for my no Spain challenge for January, I want to say a huge thank you for everybody that has come and supported me on this journey, for watching my video from beginning to end, for playing my playlist. Please continue showing me support and love. I'll be honest with you guys, it does motivate me every time I see those comments. Even if you comment a heart, any emoji, like just in general, like it just literally lights up my day, and it just makes me think that, you know, I am appreciated, if that makes sense, because I do put time and effort through my videos, or in my video I try to. You will hear Dylan. Dylan is my youngest. He's 3, and there's always there's not a time that he doesn't interrupt. Yes. And so yeah, so I am doing a no Spain challenge for 2025. I'm trying to do it for the whole year. This is my first time for real being into it or sticking to it, so I will update you what I have done. So basically any transaction that is red is basically something that I should have not done, you know, that makes sense. So yeah, and I did give myself a allowance of, or I am allowed to buy 1 item per month. That's about it, nothing else. That's my little thing, because you know, you can't just be so strict. Yes, papi. Give me 1 second, guys. Like I was saying, you can't be so hard on yourself, because you will fall back, believe it or not, because being so strict will just set you back sometimes, because I've been super strict to myself that I'm like, oh my gosh, like I'm choking. So that's why I have allowed myself to do 1 purchase per month. I don't have like a budget of how much, but you know, just to kind of like help out in that situation. Also guys, please come back tomorrow. Tomorrow we're doing another cash stuffing for my bill binders and my saving challenges. So yeah, all right, here you go guys. Are you ready? Are you ready for week number 2? Yeah, okay, here we go. All right, awesome. Okay guys, so this one was week 1 over here. Oh, okay. All right, here we go. So week number 2, I did a transaction on the 9th for a shipping label. So I sent out one of the binders, and that was $5.91. This is not something that, oh my gosh, let me just do that. No, it's something that I just needed to get done. So it was not like, oh my gosh, I want to spend my money on shipping items. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So I did that. I still have to do another one this week, so that's gonna be for next week. But anyways, this was a winner for a binder, and yeah, that was for $5.91. And then on that same day, I had to put gas, you guys. On the 9th, I needed gas, so I don't put gas on my car. And this time I had no one there with me. So not that I don't have no one, it's just Alex wasn't there with me, and I was on low gas. Literally, it was like low on gas, you know, the little bar. And so I was like, oh snap, now I have to put gas. But that's okay, you know, it doesn't matter. Like, I can put gas, he can put gas, but I usually never put gas, okay? Which is amazing. I'm just very thankful and grateful, I'll be honest with you. So that was on the night. I had to put $20.03, and the only reason why it's so low, because I have a SUV, a Honda Pilot, that takes up to like $56-$57. But this pump here was so slow, and I was already running a little bit behind on my schedule for work in the morning, and I was like, you know what, let me just do $20. And literally I got it to $20.03. Like, this took maybe like 7 minutes for this pump to do $20. I was like, oh my gosh, yeah. I'm like, that's it. So yeah, so I did $20.03 on that one. And last but not least is this red one. This is my first purchase ever for 2025, guys, for this month. I know I didn't need to, but hey, it's on the 11th. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. It was on the 11th, you guys. This was for TJ Maxx. You guys know TJ Maxx always gets me, but this one, it was a good cause, okay? It was a good cause. It was TJ Maxx Hello Kitty Christmas bag, and it was on clearance, and it's this one right here. Okay, it was on clearance for $3 plus tax was $3.50. Oh my goodness, what is going on? And the reason why I bought this was because I'm putting my money here for my saving challenge from Drip by E from Erica, you know, the saving challenge booklet. So I didn't want to just leave my money around, so I was like, you know what, I need a little cashing bag or bank bag to put that. And I got this one. I thought it was just so perfect because it's Christmas saving challenge, and you know I love Sanrio, so I was like, yep. And so that is my purchase there, guys, that I was not supposed to do, but I think it's a good cut, so it's okay. And that's my first one of the month, and it will be, hopefully, knock on wood, my last. But I don't think it's bad because it's $3.30, you know. So yeah, so that is my week number 2 on my spending challenge, you guys. I think I'm doing a good job. I think I'm doing great. So it's not bad. And yeah, I'm excited to see what next week will bring. And thank you so much for stopping by, you guys. I love all of you guys. And let's keep going. Let's keep grinding. We all got this. And I see you guys tomorrow for my cash stuffing. So, yay! Bye, guys. Thank you.